Lab 50 is asking about the value of the XSS protection header. Let's go take a look at the value of that header. To do this, we're just going to send a HTTP request over to the server and observe the results. And this is made easier by the lab files. So we're going to go to the lab files. I've installed Mutillidae and var www Mutillidae. And so for me, the lab files are going to be under labs and lab files. And inside there's the netcat lab files. And those are going to make it easier to do this lab. So we'll go into the netcat lab files. And we're going to use the HTTP 1.1 head request file. So we'll do netcats and mutillidae.local. If you've done the previous labs, you've seen this before, where we send the contents of these files in using netcat so that we can get the headers back. So we see that the XSS protection header has a value of 0, which is not correct. So go back over here to the answers, and it asks what should the value be. Let's not deny that's associated with the X-frame options header. The number here is the number of seconds in a year. That's associated with the HSTS header. 42 is from Doug Adams' book. And no store, no cache is associated with cache control headers. But this value of 1, meaning turn XSS protection on, followed by mode equals block, meaning block any suspected intrusions, that's the correct value for the XSS protection header. So we pick that option and we hit submit, and we'll find that that answer is correct.